In 2020, SeaHarvest invested more than 38 million in skills development. The skills development program that we offered were technical as well as maritime programs and management and leadership development programs, which includes MBAs as well as masters. The development programs that we've offered were for our previously disadvantaged persons in order to build a succession plan. The management development programs and leadership programs were offered by a recognized tertiary institutions. These programs were supported by a structured mentorship program, and our executives and senior managers were appointed as mentors to coach these young, talented persons from our previously disadvantaged group into the talent pool. The key vehicle to transformation is skills development. We have had mentorship programs, graduate programs, and all the other various leadership and management programs. And our success stories are that many of those persons that were on these programs are now appointed in senior management roles. During 2020, as we are all aware, we were hit with the need to do training in a different format due to our COVID-19 pandemic. We have then embarked on blended programs or blended training programs which reduce the face-to-face training and increase the online training. SeaHarvest has, despite all the challenges, maintained its level 1 BBBEE rating. This attests to the commitment that SeaHarvest has in people development as well as social development in our various local communities. During 2020 alone, SeaHarvest facilitated more than 300 learnerships, 11 cadets, and more than 30 apprenticeships, while placing 36 graduates throughout the business. I need to add that 90% of these learnerships alone are women who are placed in various rural areas throughout the business. Our technical, maritime, and processing training affords these unemployed persons opportunity to find gainful employment. The SeaHarvest Foundation is an integral part in assisting our local communities. We afford persons training initiatives as well as other social development. This allows our persons within the communities opportunities for further employment as well as opportunities to further and to improve their livelihood. In partnership with the West Coast Development Centre, we assist the aspiring entrepreneurs with the various skills development so that they can flourish in their businesses. SeaHarvest, together with a major shareholder, Brimstone, has established a 100 million rand fund. This fund, known as the South African Fisheries Development Fund, allows us to assist the small-scale fishers communities with various skills development as well as other support. These training initiatives allows them then to be able to work not only as small-scale fishers but also in the broader fishing community. It also allows them to become self-managed and also operate independently. Our employees are shareholders within the company through the Employee Share Trust. The Employee Share Trust holds 6.1% of the SeaHarvest Group. Between 2017 and 2020 alone, this company have paid 230 million to the employees through dividends as well as share sales proceeds. SeaHarvest is committed to maintain sustainable jobs within the rural communities. This is done through maximum beneficiation in South Africa, in our Saldanha Bay facility on the Cape West Coast. This allows us to ensure that we protect the livelihoods of the local communities. Our employee wellness program focuses on a holistic wellness approach. This includes on-site clinic, healthcare, as well as our long-standing relationship that we have with the Department of Social Development that offers us social development services for our employees as well as their families through our offices here on site, as well as our offices in the Saldanha Bay municipality that we support through our SeaHarvest Foundation.